This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting calibration now. Plug in the original charger and let the phone reach 100% while powered off if possible. Once done, power on and confirm battery shows 100%. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled for diagnostic access. This helps you run battery stats resets. Also, back up important data before deeper steps and disable background sync or heavy apps so readings won't be skewed. This short prep prevents false readings and sets the device for accurate recalibration. Now reset the system battery counters via a DB. Run a DB shell dumpsies battery reset so Android forgets old faulty readings. This recalculates percentages. Once reset, discharge the phone to 0 until it powers off, then charge uninterrupted to 100% while powered off to let the gauge relearn the curve. After charging, boot into safe mode and observe battery behavior for at least 24 hours to separate app-caused drain from hardware issues. These steps refine the software view. Finish with advanced diagnostics. If calibration and resets fail, reflash stock firmware or apply the latest official OTA to replace corrupt battery driver files. This often fixes stuck 1% bugs. If voltage readings are wildly off or the device is aged beyond 2 years, consider a battery replacement. Hardware deterioration is common. Finally, if trouble persists, take the phone to a certified service. When you go, describe the tests you ran, voltage readings, and whether the issue appeared after an update, so technicians can prioritize repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.